channel Ayisyen. I'm Rachel. Before I get into what's behind the name Ayisyen, I want to give you a little overview of what I'm going to be sharing on this channel going forward. I am a wife, stay-at-home mom, Haitian Creole educator, blogger, missionary, and the founder of Espoir d'Aimer, a ministry working in Centre, Haiti. I have recently been asked a lot about Haitian recipes, Haitian culture, visa questions, just life as an intercultural, multiracial family living between America and Haiti. So this is going to be my channel to share with you a lot of those things. I will also be doing a Haitian Creole version of most of my videos for those of you who want to learn Haitian Creole or are from Haiti and already speak it. Happy that you're here. If any of these topics interest you, I hope that you will stick around, like, subscribe, share. And now I will get into why I called my channel Ayisyen. I have a little story to share with you about the name Ayisyen. So I was in Haiti full time from 2017 until about 2020, and then my trips became less frequent as things got dangerous and I was working through visa things for my husband. So I would walk everywhere by myself in 2018, 2019. You would always find me in the market, walking around town, by the river, hanging out with people that I would meet in the streets. And a lot of times I would be passing by new places, new neighborhoods, or people that didn't know me. The kids would call out "blanc, blanc" as I passed, meaning foreigner or white person. And oftentimes I would turn to them and start speaking in Creole and strike up a conversation. And then they would look confused and say, "Ayisyen? Are you Haitian?" Wondering if I was Haitian or a foreigner. And then my friends, they started to call me Ayisyen, so the Haitian foreigner. Thanks for watching, and I hope I will see you in the next video.